Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 8th December, Tuesday 2020. Today is a landmark day. It's a landmark day because one of the more developed countries has started giving an approved vaccine not to trial volunteers but to proper citizens. That has happened in the UK where the Pfizer vaccine has been given starting today, and we have seen some visuals on TV on how a 90-year-old grandma was the first recipient of the vaccine. It's a landmark because 2020 has been what it is. You know it and I know it. And now as the year ends, there is a ray of hope coming that perhaps 2021 will be very different. In fact, we just want to be a normal year, nothing more. A normal year would be fantastic. So today was a landmark day. For me at least, I was very curious to know whether the vaccine has started, and the inoculation has started today. And it's a matter of time before it goes into the USA. In India, there is a meeting tomorrow. So perhaps in India, Russia has started that, and then Europe will come in, and probably other countries of the world, Canada, Japan, and so on. And the next 6 months will be very different. So, with so much sudden optimism, optimism was there, but with the news now coming in, the market should be running away, shouldn't they? But the exact opposite is happening. This is because the markets have already run up. The markets have run up for what? They have run up in anticipation. The markets always discount good news. That's the purpose of the market, to discount bad news and to discount good news. It anticipates. So the market has anticipated that a slurry, sort of an avalanche of good news will start coming in, and in anticipation of that, from 10,800 in the Indian market, the Nifty has gone up to 13,400. Why did it do that in just 2 months? Well, all the news was going to come in. The market was hoping. Now, nobody can be sure, but the market always lives on hope. So it was hoping that good news will come in, and so it pushed up the market so much. Now that the good news is coming in, I have very big doubts whether we will see significant gains, not just in India, but with the larger, much bigger market, the USA. The US also went up. The US daily virus numbers were 2.5 lakhs per day, and the market, the S&P 500 would go up every day. That rally was in anticipation that the economy will improve, that unemployment will come down, the vaccine will help, then medicines will also come in. It's not just vaccine, but we are now testing medicines where you can take one tablet and hopefully in 24 hours the infection goes away. So a lot of things are happening, and I presume that the market was anticipating all of this in the USA, and the whole world was following. I have told you how the world follows the US. So the chances are that now we will see a process of consolidation, and consolidation is always choppy because consolidation is a movement inside a large range, and there is no rule that it will go from low to high and high to low. It can go from low to middle point to little lower to higher to the little lower, and then give a sense that the market is doing nothing. It is always doing something. It's choppy, but it's consolidating, but it's difficult to trade. So for tomorrow, I would anticipate the sense of consolidation to begin. Now, after many weeks, I think when the market starts consolidating, we are open to taking short positions. They are primarily intraday positions, whether you are long or short. Short positions are usually intraday, although long sometimes we can carry for an overnight trade because we are in an uptrend. So tomorrow I am open to taking a short position. It is possible that we will see choppy markets. You may if you use charts, and you may simply like to put a moving average, say a 20-period exponential moving average on your chart for tomorrow, and look to buy when prices cross the average and start going up, and use your own judgment to exit. This you can do because the rallies would be small and the dips would also be small, relatively small. In points they could be larger. The number of bars could be less. So use your discretion to exit, and take care. This should be fun. Consolidating markets require a different approach, and we'll see that if markets really start to consolidate. Enjoy yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.